Yes, sir. Real numbers. Chapter 1.
Yes. Okay. Well, so real numbers you have skipped. So now, which chapter you want me to start with? Tell everyone. Everyone should tell me. Just one answer. You just discuss yourself. Just 1 minute. I'll give 1 minute of time. You just discuss yourself. Discuss yourself, guys. Talk to yourself. Which chapter? Everyone understand Telugu here, right? How many of you do not understand Telugu?
Sir, I understand.
I
Telugu,
don't.
sir.
I don't.
I understand.
See, I'm asking for the children who do not understand Telugu.
I don't understand.
I don't.
Udbhav, Tushar, Shaikh Muhammad, Aditya.
Sir, you can call me Shada.
You can call me what?
You can call me Shada. Those are my first name.
Shadhab. Great. Good name. So still Adityan, you understand? Do you understand? No. Prativa Hajra. Do you understand, Ma?
No,
Sorry?
I don't understand.
Great. Pratyusha. Pratyusha and Prativa both are you sisters both?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. So you have same name, that's why. So let's try to discuss in English itself. I thought everyone is from Hyderabad, so I thought of talking to you for some time in Telugu. So Shadhab is laughing. So great
Sir,
to
I
see you all.
understand.
You understand. Great. So Udbhav.
It's not mandatory for CBSE to have Telugu.
Yes, it's not a mandatory basically, but I thought everyone's native place is Hyderabad. So that's what I thought basically. No, not an issue. Great. So basically, great to hear, great to see you all. And first, let me introduce myself. This is Suresh from this side. Basically, I am from Hyderabad. I hail from Hyderabad. So I just have seen Srija. I took a demo to her. If I'm not wrong, Adityan, I didn't take. Anudeep Mantravadi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mantravadi. Anudeep. Great. Chalo. So this is so from today onwards we are going to take maths class. I'll be taking your maths class. Who used to take your maths class before I taking?
Amar, sir.
Singh, sir.
Okay, great. So let me share the screen now. So let me share the screen, and everyone is asking. I just told you to discuss among yourself for 1 minute. Discuss among yourselves. So we are a team. Understand? We are a team. You must discuss. You must discuss and come to a platform and just tell me that, sir, we'll discuss this chapter so that I can go through this chapter. If you are not telling, simply just, if you're sitting as simple as that, what is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen except wasting time, isn't it? So tell me, please. Are you guys understanding my language? Are you guys
Yes,
understanding
sir.
what I'm
Yes,
talking
yes, sir.
about?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
So we'll do quadratic
Anudeep,
equation.
yes, Anudeep Mantravadi is saying that quadratic equation. What Sheikh Muhammad Shabad says? Shadhab. Shadhab.
Yes.
Shadhab.
I think we should go with real numbers since we skipped it at first, so then we can go in order from them.
Okay. What are yours opinions, Ashish Prince?
Sir, quadratic equation.
Oh. तुषार बोलिए भाई, आप बोलिए, आपका ओपिनियन क्या है इसके ऊपर?
So quadratic equation, sir. Let's start.
वाओ. उद्भव, आप भी बोलिए भाई, एकदम टिक टाक दिख रहे हो आप. बताओ क्या, कौन सा चैप्टर चाहिए आपको? हाँ, रियल नंबर्स. प्रत्युषा, आप you just tell me which chapter you want me to tell, discuss. Trigonometry. Wow, she's completely different. She has complete different opinion. Prativa, what's your opinion, ma?
Sir, trigonometry.
Both sisters are on the same word. Okay, great. So Adityan, what about you? Trigonometry and real numbers, both. Man, we cannot cover in a single class both the chapters. Getting my point? Chalo. So I got many votes came for quadratic equations. You gave two options. Okay. So you gave two options. So Diksha Batina is joining. So let us. So since it's a first class, let it be like a first class itself. So don't go beyond that. So sir is not teaching anything. See, in a first class, since it's a first class, let me interact with you guys properly. So let us have proper interaction. It doesn't mean that I won't be teaching anything in this class. I won't leave anyone. Don't worry. I'll be teaching everything. Getting my point? Who is that? So Diksha, let her join. 1 second. Diksha, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Turn on your camera first, then talk to me.
Yeah, just a second.
Great. See here, asking everyone to turn on your camera. Reason behind that is many children, they won't understand what exactly teacher is saying to them. Many says yoga in class. Someone sleeps like this. Someone, have water in between the class without permission. Someone have snacks in between the class. Someone, will be sleeping and just listening the session. It should not happen basically. I'm just telling you the terms and conditions before attending the class. Getting my point? Understanding, children? Understand? You understand?
Yes.
So 1 second. Someone or 1 minute, why? So many members have sent me the request. So this is what the reason. So if I start the quadratic equation, many of your friends will miss the session. It should not happen basically. So now I told them to send the request long back. Now they are sending the request and calling me. Himanshu, Steve, Benjamin, Simon. Okay. So we'll wait for 5 minutes. So let it be. Why? Because let us interact. Since it's the first session, so great to see you all on same platform. Udbhav is laughing. Why Udbhav? आपको बहुत हंसी आ रहा है क्यों भाई? क्या?
हिमांशु called me for asking class start होगी.
Oh, अच्छा सही है. ठीक है भाई. हाँ. Let them join. So many have sent the request. Now let us see how many of they are gonna join. Let's see. So I told them basically, guys, I sent a message long back, not yesterday and not today. Long back, I have sent a request to join everyone, but few of them sent a request, so I accepted them, and the rest of the children didn't send. So Diksha, Batina, 1 second, ma. See here, can you please give your opinion towards taking a session? Which class, which chapter do you want me to start today? What's your opinion on that? See, we have, look at this. Let me give options. Option A, real number. Option B, trigonometry. Option C, quadratic equations. Option D, none of these.
Option C.
Option C, quadratic equation. Don't tell me option D, guys. Please. Chalo. Only 12 members. What's your class strength? Any idea? So let us see in group how many members are there. अरे भाई group में तो
Sir, it is divided into batches.
Divided into batches. So in your batch, what is your strength of your batch?
18.
Bhai, still 6 members have to join. Okay, well. So let us let it be as an interaction session only. Interaction session in the sense, let me discuss a basic concepts. So let me understand how depth you are at basics. Getting my point? Let me understand how depth you are at basics. So Steve, Benjamin, Simon, are you from Tamil Nadu?
No, sir, I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, great. Chalo. Okay, well, so have you learned, tell me, have you learned about quadratic equation before this session? Have you learned?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who's that?
I've completed the chapter.
Yes. What did you learn, Anuji, from that? Can you please talk about something?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, 1 minute. I've actually prepared few notes. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Since you should not look at notes, then what's the point of telling the answer? Without looking at the note, you must give the answer. I'm asking you to summarize what are the things you have learned in your earlier sessions. I mean earlier classes.
Yes, sir.
See,
The
now
quadrat-
now everyone started refer the notes, make it fast. Sorry, is asking the questions. Come on, refer the notes. Don't be like that, guys. Chill. Cool. भाई आराम कीजिए ठीक है हाँ I won't trouble you guys, don't worry. I won't trouble you. I'll explain each and everything, don't worry. I'm just asking. If not Anudeep, someone will tell the answer. Tell me Anudeep.
Yes, sir. So in a quadratic equation, the equation has the highest, the degree is 2 of the equation.
Can you please come back again? Sorry.
So the degree of any quadratic equation is 2.
Okay.
It is in the basic form of quadratic equation is ax plus bx plus c equals to 0.
No. See, whatever you have
X square.
given x square. Okay, great. I think I have explained this thing to Srija. Srija will give the answer now. Look at the camera. Don't look at the notebook. So this is what the reason I ask you to turn on your cameras. So Steve Benjamin turned off your camera. Turned off his camera. Don't turn off the camera, Tambi. Chalo. Yes, come on.
General form is ax square plus bx plus c. It's general form and its power is 2, degree is 2, and it's they're all real numbers.
Great. Good. So Pratibha, can you please tell your opinion on that? Can you please tell me that?
Sir,
Do you
can
know?
repeat?
So what I'm asking is, then what did you listen meanwhile? So I'm asking about what exactly the quadratic equation. What is the definition of quadratic equation?
It's ax square plus bx plus c.
What is that? What is that? Enti adi? Ax square plus bx plus c enti. What is that?
Quadratic equation.
You are saying equation. Okay, let it be. Good, great. Now Adityan will give me the answer. Adityan, can't you show your face? Do you want me to show only eyes like this? Huh? Jokes apart. Please tell me. Adityan, tell me the answer. Well, not an issue. So, sir, I was not taught. Very good, not an issue. So, shut up. Can you please? Do you
Yes,
aware
sir.
of that?
A quadratic equation, yes. A quadratic equation has a degree of 2,
Mhm.
which means the highest power is 2.
Great.
And the general format of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0,
Mhm.
where all of them are real numbers and a is not equal to 0.
Perfect. Double thumbs up from my side. Great. So Benjamin will give me the answer now. Yes, Benjamin, can you please explain? So let me understand how your explanation skills are there. How depth you are having explanation skills. Let me understand that first. Yes, tell me, Benjamin.
Sir, I'm Steve.
Steve. Okay, let me call you Benjamin. Is there anything wrong in calling Benjamin? I love the name called Benjamin. Mhm.
Okay.
Benjamin Stokes. Yeah, tell me.
So in a quadratic equation, the highest power would be degree 2.
Yes.
And the equation would be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Mhm.
And a would not be equal to 0.
Great. So what about Diksha?
Yes, sir. A cubic polynomial, it has a degree of 3.
I'm talking about quadratic equation, not cubic polynomial.
Yeah, so the formula for that will be ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Great. Okay. So, well, thank you for your answers. Everyone tried their best except Pratyusha. Pratyusha, can you please, Ashish also, Ashish Prince. Can anyone of you please, Just give me a sentence about that. What exactly? Ashish.
Sir, quadratic equation has the highest degree, which is 2, and it can be written in a standard form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Well, look. Oh my
And
goodness.
D is
So
not
much
a-
of noise, so much of noise. So many kids are playing around you.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Pratyusha, can you please tell me that?
So a quadratic equation has its maximum degree 2 and is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0.
Mhm. 1 second. I think many of the children are joining just they're sending the request. So 13 students have joined. What about them? What about others? Okay, cool. See, guys, you might have learned about polynomials, isn't it? You might have learned about polynomials, types of polynomials. In types of polynomials, you might have learned monomial, binomial, trinomial, zero polynomial, multinomial, linear polynomial. Everyone try to look at me, please. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. These are the things you might have learned, isn't it? So these are the types which you might have learned in your earlier classes. So now what exactly I'm asking you guys to help me? What exactly I'm asking you guys to tell about? See, I'm asking you to tell what exactly the quadratic equation is all about. Quadratic equation is any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let me see, let me write 1 second, let me share the screen. एक minute. Chalo.
Sir, your PC has low batteries.
Oh my goodness, who's that? Thank
Ashish.
you. Thank you, Ashish. I think I have to connect out. Chalo. Look at this now. So basically, you might have learned quadratic equations, right, everyone? Quadratic polynomial, quadratic equations we are going to talk about. So since it's the first session, I'll be ready with my notes. So I didn't had exact idea that whether we are going to have a class or not. But luckily we got a class. From long back I was struggling to take the class. I was struggling to get the class basically. So finally I got your class today. So since the timetable was clashing between us, chemistry and maths class, so okay, from next week onwards you might be having fixed schedule. Okay, cool. So look at this. See here in quadratic, what is quadratic polynomial? Basically polynomial means polynomials is an expression. Polynomial means what? It is an expression, isn't it? So now quadratic polynomial means what? Any expression which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Any expression which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. All right. So now, so what is quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation?
If it has an equal sign, then it's an equation.
Yes, very simple. Look at this here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Getting my point? Is equal to 0. Understanding my point, children? So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I repeat, here a comma b and c are belongs to what?
Real numbers.
Belongs to not Hyderabad, not Chennai, not Dubai, not America. Belongs to real numbers. Getting my point? Yes or no? And where a is not equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Getting my point, children? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So look at this now. Let me give a couple of questions here now. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And look at this now, linear polynomial. Linear, what exactly the linear polynomial is all about? And what exactly the linear equation is all about?
Ax plus b is linear polynomial and ax plus
Ax plus b, any expression which is in the form of ax plus b, which is called as linear polynomial. Any expression, any equation which is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0.
equal to 0.
Very simple, very simple. Any doubt here? And a and b here, a and b belongs to real numbers. Very simple. So I hope everyone is understanding this one. Getting my point, children? Any point? Any doubts here? So now, 1 second. So if I write like this, they are what's happening. Look at this. So let us write examples now. So 2x square plus 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 5 x plus root x is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now 9x square plus root 3x, root 9x, let us write like this. I'm giving you the questions, root 9x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now one by one, tell me whether the first question is a quadratic equation or not.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
It is
It
a
is.
quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Yes or no? It is a
Yes, sir.
it is a quadratic equation. Now second one,
No. No.
it can
No,
be a
sir.
quadratic. It can be a quadratic polynomial. I would say this is also a quadratic equation. I would say that. It is also a linear polynomial, linear equation. It can be a linear and it could be a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation as well as a quadratic equation. Sir, how, sir? Just now you told that the standard form, the general form of a quadratic equation can be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, but it is not looking like that. But why you are saying that as? So guys, look at this now. Can I make that equation as like 0 into x square plus 3x plus 5? Now can you check it out?
Yes.
Now can you please check it out? That
Yes.
can you check it out this? Now both are looking like same or not now? Of course, yes. Look at this now. Now it is my quadratic equation.
So it should be equal to 0.
It's supposed to be equal to 0. Great observation. So it is quadratic equation now. So now, let me ask you. Tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not.
Yes, sir.
1 second, everyone, please. So before getting into the third question, let me ask one more question. That, see here. Now, can I say every, please take note here. Can I say every linear equation can be a quadratic equation? Say, can I say now?
Yes.
Of course, yes. Every linear equation can be a quadratic equation, but quadratic equation cannot become a linear. Get my point? Every linear equation can become a quadratic, but a quadratic equation cannot become a linear. Look at this. Every linear equation can be a quadratic equation, but quadratic equation can't become a linear. Guys, I'm writing some word fast. Understanding? Are you guys understanding my handwriting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, great. Understood everything, everyone? Is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt? Anyone, everyone, please respond. Everyone should respond in the session.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Clear? Clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, earlier you said that ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0.
Yeah.
Sir, can you go up a bit? But sir, here 0x square, so a equals to 0.
Yes, very good. A very good observation. Look at this here now. Here, what I told you now, what I told you that a is cannot become a 0. A cannot become a 0. Isn't it? Now it is possible. Very good observation. What is your name?
Sir, Anudeep.
Anudeep. Very good. So now whatever the note we have written, that is absolutely wrong. See, it is a right. When can it is possible? When can it is possible? For polynomials, but not equations. A very good observation. Anudeep, very good. See here, for every linear polynomial can be a quadratic polynomial, but every quadratic polynomial can't become a linear polynomial. Every linear polynomial can be a quadratic polynomial, but quadratic polynomial cannot become a linear polynomial. So this is correct. This is correct. Coming to the polynomials, that the note whichever we have written correct, but coming to the equation, that is wrong. We are missing out. Very good observation, Anudeep. Fantastic. Look at this here. What I told you here, a should not be equal to 0 in a quadratic polynomial. But here, second question, we are making that as a 0 into x square, but it should not be happen. It should not happen like that. Very good. Very good, my. See here. So second one is what? It is not a quadratic polynomial. Sorry, it is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. All right. So tell me the third answer now. Tell me the third answer.
Sir, it cannot be.
Why? Why?
Because there is no constant.
There is no constant. Can I make 0? See, can I write loud? Look at this here. X plus root x plus 0. 0 is also constant.
Yes. X square is not there.
Sir, but
X
there's
square
no
is-
square, there's no degree too.
Yes, that is the reason. Now if I make x square here, then what it is going to be? Now tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not.
Yes, now
Yes.
it is.
Tell me, it is a quadratic equation or not?
It is, sir. It is. Sir.
It is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. No, wrong answer. How? Look at this here. See here, x square plus root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to 0.
Fractions are not there. Fractions are not there. You can't do fraction.
Power of the variable should not be a fraction. Power of the variable is supposed to be always a whole number. It cannot be a rational or irrational number. It cannot be a negative number. It cannot be a fraction. It cannot be a root. Getting my point? Understanding my point? So it cannot be a quadratic polynomial law. Quadratic equation, sorry. Getting my point? So if I give one more question, look at now tell me the fourth question, everyone. Tell me whether it is.
Sir, no.
No, sir, it cannot.
It's not,
No,
sir.
sir, we can
Power is 1
simplify
by
it.
2.
Root 9 is 3.
3. Yeah.
Yes, very good observation. It is a quadratic polynomial. Root 9 is 3. Guys, I'm telling you, power of the variable. Power of the variable alone cannot be a fraction. Power of the constant can be anything. Root 9 can be anything, but root 9, let it be. So x, on x, we do not have root over there. Look at this. Look at this here. We do not have x. We do not have root for x. So 9x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
Very good. So now look at this. Now let me ask you beautiful questions now. So now tell me x plus 2 is equal to 0. Tell me whether if it is a linear polynomial, so if it is a linear equation, it is a linear equation, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is my a and b values here?
A is 1 and B is 2.
A is 1, b is 2, right? So very good. So if I ask you like this, a, if I ask you simply 9, tell me the values of a, b, c. Tell me the values of a, b, c.
A is 0, B is 0, and C is 9.
C is 9. Tell me whether it's a quadratic equation or not.
It's a constant, not a quadratic.
It is not a quadratic equation. We cannot say that there is no point of telling that as a quadratic equation, isn't it? There is no point of telling that as a quadratic equation since we do not have since we do not have an equal symbol over there. We do not have a symbol called equal, isn't it? See here. If I have equal, then I would have thought about it, but I do not have anything over there. So can I make it as 0 into x plus 9 plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 9? Can I write like this? It is a polynomial. 9 is a polynomial or not?
Yes, sir, it's a constant.
It is a polynomial since it is a single term. So 9 is a polynomial. So 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 9. I can write like this. So what are the ABC values now? A is 0, B is 0, C is 9. So this is my. Sir, just now we told that A cannot be equal to 0, right? It is not. It in quadratic equation A cannot be 0. It is not an equation here. It is a polynomial. Getting my point, children? Try to understand. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, understood.
So you might have learned degree of polynomial. Quadratic degree of quadratic equation is what? Degree of polynomial.
2.
Degree of polynomial means what? Highest power of the variable. So now highest power of the variable. If I ask you about degree of a quadratic equation,
It is 2, sir.
it is 2. Degree of a quadratic equation, what it is going to be?
2.
It is going to be 2 since the highest power of the variable is 2 here. Getting my point? So look at this now. What is fundamental law of algebra? Can any one of you please explain this? What are the fundamental laws we have? Let me give. Look at this here. Any polynomial of degree n has dash roots.
N number of roots.
Sorry, n roots. Very good. N number of roots. So for suppose, let me say x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 8. Tell me whether it is a equation or not. Tell me whether it's
It's not
equation
an
or not.
equation.
It is not
It's
an
not a-
equation.
Not
It is not an
polynomial.
equation. It is a polynomial. Which polynomial is this?
A quadratic.
Cubic
Cubic
polynomial.
polynomial.
Cubic.
What is the degree of this?
3.
What is the number of roots of these polynomials?
3.
3.
3. Since the power is 3, so the number of roots is going to be what? 3. As simple as that. Getting my point? Yes or no? Guys, we have less than 1 minute of time. So after might be 15 to 20 seconds, the session is going to wind up. You must join again. You know that, right? You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Number of roots. So look at this now. Let me give a question, simple question here. Which expression